How to find my AirTag on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in this video I'll simply guide you on how you can find your AirTag on your iPhone, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you want to actually find your AirTag on your iPhone, it is very actually simple to do that. All you have to do is first of all just ensure that your AirTag is already connected to your Apple device, right? So which could be your iPhone in this case. If you've not already connected, we've already made a dedicated video on that. Now after you've connected, you have to open this Find My application here, and then by default you're going to be under People's tab. You have to come to the Devices tab from here. So once you come to the Items or the Devices tab, right over here you'll be able to see your AirTag. Just tap on it. Once you tap on AirTag, here you'll find directions, so just tap on directions, and then right over here you should be able to find the directions if the AirTag is far enough from you. In this case it's just with me, so it says walking directions not available because it is right next to me, right? But if it's, let's say, meters away from you, you will be able to find the directions to locate your AirTag. And that's basically it as to how you can actually find your AirTag on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.